Imagine building a powerful application without worrying about buying expensive servers, maintaining hardware, or setting up complex infrastructure. That's exactly what cloud computing makes possible. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services such as servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and artificial intelligence over the internet. Instead of purchasing and managing physical infrastructure, organizations can rent these resources whenever they need them and pay only for what they use. The three leading cloud providers are Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, or GCP. These platforms offer hundreds of services that help developers, businesses, researchers, and governments build modern applications. One of the most common uses of cloud computing is web application hosting. Whether you're creating an e commerce website, a college project, or a social networking platform, cloud services allow your application to scale automatically when more users visit it. This means better performance and higher reliability. Cloud computing also makes data storage and backup much easier. Instead of storing important files on a single computer, organizations can securely store massive amounts of data in the cloud. This ensures data is available from anywhere while reducing the risk of data loss. Another exciting area is artificial intelligence and machine learning. Cloud platforms provide ready to use AI services that help developers build chatbots, recommendation systems, image recognition applications, speech processing tools, and predictive analytics solutions without needing powerful local computers. Big data analytics is another major application. Companies generate enormous amounts of data every day. Cloud platforms offer powerful tools to process, analyze, and visualize this information, helping organizations make smarter business decisions. If you're interested in the Internet of Things or IoT, cloud computing plays a vital role there as well. Smart homes, wearable devices, industrial sensors, and connected vehicles continuously send data to cloud platforms, where it is processed in real time to provide valuable insights and automation. Cloud computing is also transforming software development through DevOps. Engineers can automate code testing, deployment, and monitoring using cloud based CI CD pipelines. This enables teams to release software faster while maintaining high quality. Cybersecurity is another important application. Cloud providers offer identity management, encryption, firewalls, threat detection, and compliance services that help organizations protect sensitive information against cyber threats. One of the most innovative concepts in cloud computing is serverless computing. Here, developers focus entirely on writing code while the cloud provider automatically manages the infrastructure, scaling, and server maintenance. This significantly reduces development time and operational complexity. Cloud computing also powers online gaming, video streaming platforms, digital learning systems, healthcare applications, banking services, scientific research, and even space exploration. Services like Netflix, Spotify, Google Drive, Microsoft 365, and many modern applications rely heavily on cloud infrastructure. Start by understanding virtualization, networking, Linux, containers, Docker, Kubernetes, cloud storage, databases, and basic security concepts. Then, build real world projects such as deploying a web application, creating a serverless API, hosting a machine learning model, or developing an IoT dashboard on AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. To summarize, cloud computing is much more than online storage. It is the foundation of modern software development, artificial intelligence, big data, cybersecurity, DevOps, and digital transformation across every industry. Mastering cloud technologies today will prepare you for the next generation of engineering careers and give you the skills to build scalable, secure, and innovative solutions.